Norville, from its early foundations, have always been known as a company that's been interested in technology as far as lenses are concerned, and we've always been keen to do the more difficult or the more challenging, if only that it enlightens our lives on a daily basis.
We get machines in, but we play a lot with them. We're always pushing the boundaries back, changing them, changing the macros, asking them to make the machine do something different. We want to do this, plus what we add on to it as well. Here we can play around with the software to make the machine do more and more and lots of different things without having to buy a new machine.
So our prime investment expenditure has been through freeform lenses, freeform glass lenses, and improved coating of glass and other materials.
At the moment, people are having to import them abroad, and we're waiting 5 to 6 weeks for them.
And you can turn it around and offer it in the UK in
3 to 4 days. Here we have glass lentics, which nobody is making in a freeform option. That's a -24 and a 1.7. Again, how thin that is, and all made on our freeform. Again, the only people in the UK doing that. We can also produce single vision into bifocals. So that was a single vision glass, and we've made it into a bifocal with freeform technology in mineral.
We've invested in new hard coating plant, which enables us to do the reactor light range.
So it's just about to be launched. It's been a long, hard testing process, and to get here it's probably been 2 years of work to this stage with the machine manufacturers and the chemists involved, and we're very happy with the results.
When it first started, you could only have photochromic on a few types of lenses, and you had to be able to buy what we call the semi-finished from the supplier before you could offer it to your customers. Now, when a lens arrives as a material, we can instantly offer it across everything rather than previously waiting perhaps 4 or 5 years for the actual lens you needed to be made available. And we've also been able to provide 2 grades of transmission. So it widens the whole activity that we can offer customers to say, tell us what you want, we can supply it. So it's quite an important change that we can provide it on all lens types.
We have 4 tanks set up here. We have a primer, a photochromic brown, a photochromic grey, and a hard coat solution through here. So we will go substrate into primer, bake, whichever photochromic we require, bake, and back into hard coat, bake, and out. We've made a lens, a white lens, into a photochromic.
It makes our life a lot easier because if we didn't have it in stock previously, we had to obtain it. So we couldn't stock everything because photochromic is always an expensive product. Therefore, we can offer a better service to our customers. So it's a win-win-win all the way around, really.
When we say we suddenly come to generation 2 of our photochromic, we take our photochromic out, we put the next generation 2 in, we still continue with a white base product. There's no stock to get rid of, to run down. We can make instant technological changes like that for it.
So I think there's going to be some great technology changes in that particular way. But then we've had an awful lot, and I suspect there'll be less changes in the coming years because we've done a lot of it over the last few years.